Hey! Oh my God.
And you just don't go. That's it.
It's gone now, Kim.
All I heard was I'm telling her to back up my damn gun. Look, it's coming now. It's gonna speed up. Get a bike price.
Well, you need to be calling people in town. Call Emily.
Come out here.
She going to Uncle Head house.
It's going down. Oh, you leave the car right there.
A violent earthquake rocked the area, sending islanders running for their lives. Those stuck in this grocery store were just looking to do a little shopping, and then chaos ensued. A man and woman in the rice aisle look up at the wall and silently ask each other, "Did you feel that?" Then all hell breaks loose as items fly off the shelves and to the floor. The two try hanging on to the shelves for support, but that quickly becomes too dangerous. Finally, they and everyone else flee the store as food floods heavily. Nobody lost their lives in the event, and the people only had some minor structural damage to deal with. Still, we know one thing for sure. We do not envy whoever had to clean up that locked province on Mindanao was hit with a series of violent earthquakes that resulted in widespread destruction. Workers at this high-rise office learned firsthand how powerful and terrifying earthquakes can be.
Dak lang, dak. Dak lang, sulod. Tapo lang, kilid lang, dak lang. Hoy, di daw magpanik. Relax, di magpanik.
The 6.8 magnitude earthquake rocks the entire office. Light fixtures swing from the ceiling, and the window shades flap like they're haunted. Workers run and scream as they head for the fire escape, as everyone's first reaction is, "Get the heck out of here." Our brave cameraman stays behind to document the experience, while his coworker pops up and down from under her desk. Now there are 6 tiers on the earthquake magnitude.